Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Dip Tuition Class. In this video, we are going to start the first chapter, that is number system from class 9 NCERT Maths. You know that in previous video I have made the introduction of this chapter. If you have not watched that video, please watch it out. I have given the link in the description below. You can check it there. I have done the full detailed study of the chapter number system. Alright, so using the concept of that, using the idea knowledge from that, we are going to solve the exercise given in the chapter. Alright, so you are new to my channel, then please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more update. So let us start the exercise 1.1, which is in page number 5 of NCERT. So our first question is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0? So let us solve this problem. So this was the question, right? Is 0 a rational number? So in previous video, I have made you understand what is rational number, right? So let me remind you again, let me revise that. A rational number are those number which can be written in the form of P by Q, okay, which can be written in the ratio RATIO, ratio P by Q, where Q should not be equals to 0 and where both P and Q are integer, whether it is positive or negative. Alright, so this was overall your rational number. So according to the question, is this 0 a rational number? So 0 means, in previous class I have told you that 0 is a whole number. Alright, in a number line, the 0, 1, 2, 3, this is a systematic order in a number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, and below the 0 you have negative integer. All the integers which are represented in a systematic order, that was your number line. You can find 0 in the number line, right, in the center, from where we can count the number. We will start from 0, then 1. We will consider this as a whole number. Alright, but excluding 0, if you have 1, 2, 3, that would be considered as a natural number, isn't it? So 0 is a whole number. So can we write 0 by 1? Yes, we can write. So we can consider if 0 is also integer, isn't it? 0 is also integer, minus 1 is also integer, 1 is also integer. So 0 is your P and Q is equal to 1. Alright, so if we can write, if you don't have Q as a 0, then we can consider, if you don't have Q as a 0, then we can consider that as a rational number. So here we can consider that yes, 0 is a rational number. So they have also asked, can you write in the form of P by Q? So of course yes, I have written. So in the form of P by Q, 0 will be written as 0 by 1, isn't it? Where P is equal to 0 and Q is equal to 1, where Q is not equals to 0. Q is equal to 0, is it? No. So that is why we can say 0 is a rational number, where P and Q both are integer. 0 is also integer, 1 is also integer. So yes, 0 is a rational number. Okay, 0 is a rational number. Alright, so we can also write not only 0 by 1, we can also write 0 by 2, 0 by 3, any number, okay, in the Q. Instead of this 0, any integer you can put, whether it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 2, minus 3, also you can write like 0 by minus 2 is also correct, because any integer may be a positive as well as negative, isn't it? So we can consider yes, 0 is a rational number. Yes, it is a rational number. They have also asked that write it in the form of p by q. Whether you write 0 by 1, whether you write 0 by 2, whether you write 0 by 3, whether you write 0 by -2, all are correct, but q should not be 0. Alright, okay. So student, this is number 2 question. Find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. Alright, so you should have a knowledge that in between any two number there are infinite rational number. Alright, infinite means many rational numbers are present out there. So here the question is, you have to find the 6 rational number. Alright, so whenever the question is given 6 or more than 6 or maybe 7, you may have a question like 8 question, right? So if such is a question, then if you write this 3 in a rational form, then we can write 3 by 1, isn't it? Okay, if you have to find the 6 rational number, then what we are going to do is we will multiply both the side, that is numerator and denominator, greater than 6. If 6, then greater than 6, 7, 8, any number. I am putting 7 in both the side. Alright, suppose if you write another number, that is 4, in the rational form, then we can write in 4 by 1. We can also multiply by the 7. If 6, then put 7 or 8 greater than 6. If suppose the question was find 5 rational number, then we could have put 6, 7 greater than 5 greater than 6. Okay, so if we multiply this, what we are going to get? We have to multiply in both the side, that is numerator and denominator side, by the same number in this also. So 3 7s are 21 by 7 1s are 7. Alright, similarly 4 7s is 28 divided by 7 1s are 7. So you have to write the rational number in between 21 by 7 to 28 by 7. So let's have a count. 20 after 21, what comes? 22. Do not write 8, you will write 7 only the numerator gets changed. 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, 27 by 7. So how many? 6 rational number you have to find. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rational you have got. In between, your 20, that is 3 and 4, that is your 3 is 21 by 7, 28 by. How you got this? By multiplying both the side, that is numerator and denominator side, by the number greater than 6, that is I have put here 7. Okay, so you can do in such a manner. Understood the trick? Okay, let us proceed to the next question. So next question number 3 is find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Alright, so similar way, on what manner we have solved number 2, we are going to solve in a similar way. Alright, so let us solve this. So it is already in the rational form, that is 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So what I have told you, if you have to find 5 rational number, you have to multiply and divide the multiply both the side, that is numerator and denominator side, by the greater number than 5. If it is 5, then it's greater than 5. If suppose in number 2 there was 6 rational number, so I have multiplied with the greater number 6, more than 6, that is 7. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to multiply both the side by 6. Alright, because 5 rational number you have to find, so I'm going to multiply by the greater number greater than 5, that is 6. You can multiply with 7 also, you can multiply with 8, but it should be greater than 5. Alright, so when you multiply this, what are you going to get? 3 6 is 18 divided by 5 6 is 30, 4 6 is 24, 5 6 is 30. Alright, so you have to find the 5 rational number between 18 by 30, that is 3 by 5, and 24 by 30, that is 4 by 5, right? 24 by 30. So after 18, what comes? You don't change the denominator. So we can write 19 by 30 first. After 18, 19 comes. Do not change the denominator as I have mentioned. 19, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. So you have to find 5 rational number. You got this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5 rational number in between 18 by 30 and 24 by 30. Okay, but before starting the sum, you have to write one thing. I forgot to mention this. We have to write multiplying both numerator, that is this 3, over here 4, and denominator over here 5. Both the side, both are 5. So numerator and multiplying both numerator and denominator by 6. In bracket we can write that is greater than 5. Any number greater than 5 you can put. You can put, instead of 6, you can put 7, you can put 8 also. It's your choice, alright, but it should be greater than 5. So in such a manner, in number 2 question also, I forgot to mention that you can write multiplying both the both numerator and denominator by the number greater than 6, right? I have put 7 there. So we, in such a manner we will solve the problem, alright. So student, I am here with the next question, that is 4C. Here the question states that every rational number is a whole number, right? So if I consider whole number, I have written here the whole number 0, 1, 2, 3. You know what is whole number, right? So starting from the 0 till infinite number, you have a whole number, except integer, negative integer, except negative integer, isn't it? So rational number, those which can be represented in the form of p by q, like 1 by 2, 2 by 3, but q should not be equals to 0. If you have say 1 by 0, then it is not a rational number. Okay, so we know this is a rational number. We can also write rational number as minus 2 by 3. We can also write rational number as minus 2 by minus 1. Alright, so we can also write 1 by minus 2. This is also a rational number, isn't it? So a rational number are those number in which p and q are integers. Integers means which may include a positive number as well as negative number. Alright, so whole numbers are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 except negative integer. So how can your rational number, how can your every rational number be a whole number? It is not possible. Can you say this? This is not possible. Alright, so we can say that therefore the statement is false. The statement is, the answer is false. Why? Because rational numbers, in rational number, negative integers are also given, are also shown, can also be represented in the form of p by q, but whole numbers should be in positive integer starting from 0. Alright, so therefore every rational number is not a whole number. Okay, this is the statement. But if you have a condition, say, is every whole number, is every whole number a rational number, then we could have said yes, every whole number is a rational number, isn't it? Every whole number is a rational number because whole numbers include from 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 by 1 is a rational number, 1 by 2 is also rational number, 1 by 1 is rational number, 2 by 1 is rational number, 3 by 2 is a rational number. So it is etc. So we can write every whole number is a rational number, but every rational number is not a whole number. I hope you are clear with this, right? So students, we are over with exercise 1.1. Alright, so in the next video we will continue exercise 1.2. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more update. Thank you.